It's business as usual at this Yamaha two-wheelers showroom in the Dwarka area of Delhi. Customers are busy striking deals on scooters and bikes, and salesmen are busy turning on the charm to convert interest into a sale. The sign outside proudly says Sani Automobile. A smaller sign identifies the business as Resourceful Automobiles, a company which has inspired awe and wonder on Dalal Street.
Resourceful Automobile Limited, a company which has taken the IPO market and everybody over the internet by storm. I am right now outside the Resourceful Automobile Limited's dealership. As you can see, Sani Automobile and a dealership of Yamaha. When we went inside, we saw that the business is running as usual. There are customers walking in wanting to check out the bikes, the scooties.
The company, Resourceful Automobiles, planned to raise 12 crore rupees via an SME public issue. The issue opened on 22nd of August and closed on 26th, with the share priced at 117 rupees. It was the response to the issue which left the street stupefied. The issue was subscribed an incredible 420 times, with the company getting bids of 5,000 crore rupees against the 12 crore it had asked for. The retail portion was subscribed 496 times.
12 crore IPO for Resourced Automobile, a Delhi-based two-wheeler company with 8 employees, received bids worth about 4,800 crore rupees, oversubscribed by nearly 400 times. While retail investors were the most active with aggregate demand at 24.1 crore shares, translating to nearly 500 times of the whole subscription.
The stock was listed in Bombay Stock Exchange's SME exchange on Thursday, August 29th. But the excitement turned out to be nothing more than a flash in a pan. The listing was expected to be a bumper one, with the share expected to hit the upper limit of 90% and list at 222 rupees. Instead, the stock listed flat at 117 rupees, bellying all hype. It hit a maximum of 122.85 rupees in trade. The very dull listing comes a day after capital markets regulator SEBI cautioned investors against unscrupulous promoters in the SME sector. SEBI warned that some promoters were pumping up their shares to attract investors and then dumping the stock.
We can expect, yes, that the SME IPOs will be hotshot because there have been various reports that SME IPOs are usually very good in returns. They offer about 60 to 70% returns in a very, very, very short span of time. So clearly, investors really want to go for such IPOs, but yes, it has its own risk. However, as of now, officials at Resourceful Automobile Limited are a happy lot as far as raising funds is concerned. With camera person Prem Chandra, this is Chetan Bhutani for Business Today TV.